What up guys, it's your boy Jessie, and this video was recommended. Listen, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a story time, but I'm gonna start lying to see if Whitney is going to either lie with me or if she's gonna tell the truth and point me out on those lies. Let's see if she'll ride or die, or she gonna pick me out like that, put me on the spot. So let's see. I think she gonna be a ride or die. I think if I lie, she gonna lie with me. That's what I think, y'all. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all think she gonna lie with me, or think she gonna put me in my spot, put me in my place? Like, hey, you lying. So let's find out. Let's see. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's get to it. Wagwan, massive.
Don't know, say your girl Whitney.
And it's your boy Jessie.
And welcome back to our channel, guys. Alright, so today's video is...
It's going to be a story time. Story time.
So get your popcorn, your little juice, whatever it is, a little bit of liquor maybe, and go ahead and sit down. Alright, go ahead, start it off.
Alright, so this story is going to be about me and Whitney. Her birthday, not this past one, but the one before this one, right?
Yeah.
So let me tell you guys how it went. Well, let you start it off.
So guys, last year, my birthday, we went to the casino, okay? Your girl was looking cute, of course. I might show a picture depending on if I can find it, because all my stuff is deleted, so.
We'll show a picture. It should be a picture right here somewhere.
If we find it.
Somewhere.
So if we don't find it, that means we couldn't find it. If you don't see it, that means we couldn't find it.
Sure.
Yeah. So we went to the casino for my birthday last year. How much was it, babe? How much did we spend?
First of all, let's finish talking about how I was looking too, y'all. I was looking good too, you know what I'm saying? Your boy had to be fresh, you know what I'm saying? You can't have your girl looking good and then you looking all weird and bummy, you know what I'm saying? So I have to be fly with her, you know what I'm saying?
You did
she
look
was
cute.
Banging though. What was that, a red dress?
Yeah, I had on a red dress.
With some high heels?
Well, I didn't wear the high heels because it was a casino. I wore some flats, like some sandals.
But you had high heels.
But I had high heels, yep. Yeah. Just for the pictures. Girls, y'all know how that be.
I don't like her wearing high heels because that make her way too much taller than me, y'all. I don't got no problem
with
tall.
Sexy.
I don't got a problem with tall girls, but if I'm used to you being a certain height,
I'm not that short than you.
Then I gotta look up to you. Come on now.
I am not that shorter than you. I'm 5'8" and you 6 feet.
Exactly.
I'm a pretty tall female, I would think. So.
Still though, you don't need no extra inches, alright?
Why not? I think heels are sexy.
Back to the video.
I guess.
Alright, so we went to the casino in Detroit, Michigan. I don't know if y'all heard about it. What's the name of the casino? What was it?
Greektown.
Greektown. Bro, we went in with $400 and came out with no $100. I'm telling you.
None, okay? They sucked all our money.
It was crazy though. It was crazy. But we did wind up finding $1,000, so that was pretty dope though. That was pretty dope. Yeah. So that was pretty dope.
We didn't find $1,000.
We did find $1,000.
No, we didn't, babe.
Okay, well I found $1,000. She don't remember us finding $1,000.
Where you found $1,000 at?
We found it on the elevator when we went to the hotel.
We didn't even go to the hotel.
We did go to the hotel.
Babe, no we didn't.
Babe,
you must be talking about something else because that wasn't last year on my birthday. We only went to the casino and lost money. We didn't find no money. We didn't get no hotel room. We drove back home. We was with your mama and her friend. So how we got a hotel room?
We didn't get a hotel room.
No, we did not.
You remember nothing that happened that night?
Babe, we did not get a hotel room.
You must have been drunk.
I was not drunk.
You had to be drunk.
Why are you playing right now?
You had to be drunk or something. You remember that?
No.
So you remember what we did in the hotel?
We didn't do anything in the hotel because we didn't get a hotel. Why are you lying?
You remember that?
Baby.
Okay. Forget about it, y'all. Forget about it.
Okay, baby.
Anyway, the next morning we went out to go eat, and that was pretty dope. We had went
Where
to,
we go eat at? Cause we ain't eat no food, nigga. What? Quit lying, okay? You know we did not get a room. We didn't find no $1,000, and we didn't go to eat nothing. We came home. We drove home from Detroit, and it was raining. So what the fuck are you talking about?
You lying. You getting mixed up. You don't remember that?
Stop fucking playing with me, Jessie.
We went to the hotel. The next morning we got up, went to what we go eat at? I think it was Bob Evans.
Like,
it was Bob Evans.
lie again.
There wasn't Bob Evans?
Nigga, that must have been your other wife, cause it wasn't me. I was not there for that. I wasn't there for no $1,000. It got to be. You got somebody else I don't know about? Because when did we go to fucking Bob Evans for breakfast the next day? We didn't find no $1,000 in no fucking elevator. And none of that shit you just said. We didn't get no room.
So you don't remember kissing in the elevator? Because you were so happy we found $1,000 that you said we was kissing.
Who you go to Greektown with and found $1,000? Because it wasn't me. So just go ahead and tell the truth.
Wait, this was last year.
Last year when? Because it wasn't with me on my birthday. So who was that? Why you laughing? Oh, what?
Oh, okay. I remember you talking about now.
What?
Anyways, let's go.
Okay,
let's
first of all, you can just cut that because that's not going up.
Hold on. Hold on. Let's talk about something else.
Who you go to Greektown with and find somebody in the elevator?
Let's talk about something else.
And got a hotel room.
Let's talk about something else.
When you do that?
Can you talk about something else real quick?
No, you got to answer my question first. When you do that?
We talk after this. We got to do this first.
No, who you?
Babe, come on now.
You better answer my question.
Let's have a good day.
How we supposed to have a good day when you sitting here talking about something you did with somebody else while I'm sitting right here? We never went to no hotel. We never kissed in no fucking elevator. We didn't find $1,000 or none of that you just said. So it had to be in somebody else because you sound like you remember it vividly. So who the fuck was it?
We'll be back after these messages.
First of all, ain't nobody even seeing this.
Okay, relax, alright? It's not that big of a deal, okay? That was before your time, okay?
Before my time.
Yeah, I just got it mixed up, that's all.
I thought when we went to Greektown, you said it was your first time coming in. So how was it before my time?
I'm sorry.
Before my time with who?
That hurt my nose, you know, right?
Before my time with who?
My nose is sensitive.
Before my time with who?
Can we please work on our video?
Before my time
Can we
with who?
please work on our video?
We are gonna work on it after you give me the answers that I want.
We can talk about it after here.
No, you should never brought up no shit like this. Cause I didn't go nowhere. We didn't go to no fucking hotel. None of that you just said.
Why you got cuss?
Because you pissing me off. So I need to know.
Well, I'm not cussing at you though.
Okay, but you're not the one upset. I am.
Hey, it was a long time ago, okay?
Don't touch me.
Don't worry about all that.
No, it wasn't no long time ago. Because you said you never been to Greektown before we went. So how that work?
Relax, okay?
Don't tell me to relax. Don't tell me to relax. And you gonna answer my question right now. Who you went to Greektown with? And why you lied to me?
I didn't lie to you.
So who you went to Greektown with? Because it wasn't me.
Maybe it wasn't Greektown. Maybe
Wait,
it's different. I'm just getting it mixed up with a different.
Okay, well, what casino you and your other chick went to and got a hotel and found $1,000? That was before me. Who was that? And where, when, and where was it?
Don't worry about all that. Okay. For the sake of the video, let's just focus on our video, and then we will come back. So that after we done recording.
So who said I feel like doing a video right now since you acting like you can't answer my questions?
Can we do the video? What you gonna hit me?
Nigga, stop playing with me because you pissing me off and that shit is not funny. Like,
get out your feelings, okay? It was a one-time thing. It was before your time.
no, you just said it was last
Don't
year.
even count.
You just said it was last
Okay,
year.
I got the time
You just
frame.
said it was last year.
I got the time frame mixed up. That's it.
How?
'Cause I forgot.
How you get last year mixed up with
'Cause
a long time ago?
I thought that was me and you for a second. I got them just mixed up with the different.
First of all, how many years ago was this? Because I want you to lie again.
That's a good question.
No, answer the question. You shouldn't even have to think about this. How many years ago was it?
Alright. So, we're married for 4 years.
I don't want to hear that.
So
I don't want to hear
before
that.
4 years. So
I don't-
maybe.
We've been together before we got married, so I don't
But-
understand what you counting.
I'm saying though,
You saying what?
it was a while ago. I just got the times mixed up. That's it. Not a big of a deal.
Now you know you lying. Now you know you lying. Cause you got to be 21 to go to a fucking casino. Get the fuck off of me.
Okay.
Why you playing with me, Jessie?
Alright, anyways, y'all. It was a prank, alright? It was just a reaction to see if you was gonna tell the truth or not. If you was gonna follow along with me. So I'm gonna sit here and lie and see if you would be like, alright, that was true, we did this, or would you go ahead and tell the truth? You just snitched on me. You supposed to got my back on that. If I say we won $1,000,
No, but you-
like, yeah, we won $1,000. How you supposed to be?
Okay, we can redo it. Come on, let's do it. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Wait, hold on. Come on, you ready? I'll get you. I have your back now.
You funny.
Come on.
Yeah, see?
I have your back
It's
right
too
now.
late.
No, it's not.
Oh, we need your real reaction. We don't want no fake reaction, bud. You gonna be like, yo, we won $1,000, y'all. Well, nigga.
Well, you start talking about some. We went to a hotel and
I know.
kissed
That's
in
the
the
point. That's the point of the
elevator.
That's
and
the
I
point of
didn't.
the album.
Okay,
That's the
but
point of
listen
it.
though, that didn't happen with me. So now I'm thinking you must have did that with somebody else.
I know. That's the whole point. That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to either be confused about us doing it or think that I'm doing it with somebody else. So that was the whole point. We trying to see which way
You
go.
funny.
All right, y'all. So she's going to tell the truth. So she passed this one, y'all. All right. Give her 2 thumbs up for that. She passed, y'all. Y'all see she's trying to turn it in. I'll do it. I'll do it.
That's different though. It's not like you was in trouble. So why would I lie for you? I only lie for you if you in trouble. I'm not gonna lie for you for no reason.
Anyways, y'all, we appreciate it. Thanks for watching this episode. We learning more and more about Whitney. You know what I'm saying?
And what they learned about me.
We learned you gonna tell the truth and you ain't gonna lie for me.
I will lie for you if you in trouble.
We'll see
You
about
wasn't in trouble.
We'll see
Well,
about
you was in trouble with me because you start talking about some kissing and getting a hotel room, and I know that wasn't me.
that. I know some people watching the video like, man, you just digging a hole. You just started digging. Just keep digging. Keep
Right.
digging. Getting deeper and deeper in this hole.
Yes. So our show was about to ready to.
That's how I am, though. I'm just a bug. I just want to press all her buttons. Just press all of them. Y'all should see how we woke up this morning, though. Watch this clip real quick. Get ready. Get ready. Let's go. Get ready.
Move now.
Let's go. Jib time. So that's how I woke her up, y'all. Alright? And that's the kind of crazy stuff we do all the time. I caught it like in the middle of it. I didn't even record the beginning because that's just normally how you wake up. And I thought about it, man, I should show them how to waking her up. Because she don't like to go running. We have to go running. So that's why I did that. Every time it's time to go to the gym or something. She's like, oh, I got a headache.
That's not
I'm
true.
tired. Not today.
That's not true.
Mm-hmm.
That's not true.
And she didn't want to get out of bed. But guess what? I got you up.
That's not true. I legit be having. You know I have migraines.
I got you up. That's
Whatever.
what I do. Got you
Y'all,
up.
I have migraines, okay? So if my head hurt, I ain't got no reason to lie about that because that is not something I want to feel.
For her, she get a migraine every time it's time to go to the gym.
That's not true. That's not true.
As soon as we say
I would never
it's
lie
almost
about
time
no headache.
Go to the gym or get ready
Just
to the
not
gym.
to go to the
Oh
gym.
my God. Oh, Jesus. Yeah.
Whatever, Jessie. He don't understand, y'all. Like when
What's
my migraines,
what's those little headache pills you take?
Excedrin migraine.
Every time, y'all. Every time.
Cause that's the only thing that work, or sleep. Cause sometimes the Excedrin not enough. Like if it's really severe, I got to sleep it off.
Right.
Like that's not no joke. I don't lie about that.
It's cool. Anyways, thanks for watching. We appreciate the love and support, you guys. We on the road to 50,000 subscribers. So help us get there, y'all. Appreciate it. Continue doing what you guys are doing, liking, subscribing, commenting, sharing. We definitely appreciate it. Wait, before we go, guys, you already know what time it is. It's motivational quote of the day. Alright? Today's quote, I got this from Denzel Washington. What he said was, anything good in your heart is God's proof to you, sent beforehand to indicate that it's yours already. You know what that means? It's something in you, something that you want to do, something you want to become. It's something you have a thrive for, an itch for, something you really, really want to do. And you know you can do it, but you're just not sure about it. I'm telling you right now, it's God's proof to you, some beforehand to indicate that it's yours. If it's a car you're looking at, a house, if it's a career you're looking into, getting into, a job, a position, if you got an itch for it, and it's something that's in you that's like, oh, that's me, I want that, I gotta get it. It's yours. You just gotta go get it. We all have a purpose in this life. You just gotta figure out what that purpose is and go make it happen. Reveal it. Somebody in this world needs you. You're great. They need your ability. Whatever it is that God wants you to do, you gotta go do it. You can do it, alright? Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And you'll have good luck for the rest of the year. Be blessed, be smooth. Until next time.